Picture yourself in the 2021 Nissan Versa. Here's a tech-savvy Nissan Versa, the sleek four-door sedan that leverages a suite of standard driver assist features and touchscreen infotainment to keep you safe and connected. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers, temporary spare tire. Don't miss the chance to drive this safe and stylish Versa. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.